A boy's height is given as 178 centimeter to the nearest centimeter. A. Work out the lower and upper band within which his height can lie. B. If the boy's height is h centimeter, express this range as an inequality. Now, solution. For the first part of the problem, we're given 178 centimeter to the nearest centimeter. So in this case, to the nearest centimeter represent to the nearest whole number. Let's forget the unit. If you want to express any number to the nearest centimeter, or you want to approximate any number to nearest centimeter, nearest meter, nearest kg, meaning that you express that number to the nearest whole number, then add the given unit. So this is a case under nearest whole number also. And for nearest whole number, what do? You deal with the last number. It deals with the last number. And what is the last number here? What's the place value of this last number? The last number here is 8. And what is the place value? The place value of 8 is 8 units. Now, since we are dealing with unit, then what do? We need to calculate the errors. So the errors will be equal to what? Plus or minus 1. Unit represent 1. Don't forget. That's 1 over 2. That's plus or minus 0.5. That's the error for the bands. Now, we now determine the lower band. Lower band. The lower band. And for the lower band, what do? We now have 178. Then we subtract 0.5. We put centimeter at the back. Now 178 minus 0.5. That will give us 177.5. Then centimeter. Now we calculate the upper band also. Upper band. For the upper band, what do? We are going to add. So this will give us 178 plus 0.5. Then we put the unit. Now what do we have? 178.5 centimeter. This is the solution for the part A. Now part B. If the boy's height is h centimeter, express this range as an inequality. Now we are going to have what? 177.5 less than or equal to, because this one, by the time you approximate 177.5 to the nearest centimeter or to nearest whole number, what do we have? It will give us what? 178. Then less than or equal to what? What do we have? H. Then less than 178.5. And don't forget, we are not going to put equal to here, because of the fact that if I approximate 178.5, I will take 1 from 5, add it to 1, I will have 179. Then it's not equal to this again. So that is why the number we are looking at here, they are numbers that are less than 178.5 and banded below by 177.5. So we can express this also further as, if you want to put the unit, 177.5 centimeter, then less than or equal to h, less than or equal to 178.5 centimeter. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.